Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because we're going to be doing this bubble ponytail wig. You know, it can be your go-to when you want to go to a party, you want to go out somewhere and you don't have a lot of time to do your hair. You just hold your hair in a bun and just grab these and just and you're good. You look smashing and dashing to go. So to do this, I just needed a pack of expression braids and a little pack of reused hair. I just used my last braid, what I did on my hair the last, I just used some part of the braid, so I reused the hair from that to put at the center of it. So we're going to do this together and I'm sure you're going to learn something. Before we go on, I want to sincerely thank you and welcome all those who keep coming back, and thank all those who are coming here for their first time. I'm super grateful for your support. It means a whole lot to me. Thank you, and thank you. Thanks a million folds. Please continue to stay with me, watch, comment, like, and of course please do share the video, okay, to support your girl. Thank you very much for coming, and let's get straight into the tutorial. Ciao. So to start with, you're just going to get your drawstring ponytail net and you place it on your mannequin's head. You just pin it down securely so that you can conveniently work with it. After pinning it down, I just got my used hair, recycled hair. I recycled the hair because I had used it for braids before, and I'm just going to sew it down on the drawstring net. But this quantity is quite a lot because at some point of the tutorial, I'm going to reduce it. I realized it was too much, it was too big. You could just get a handful, like what's enough to do you a braid, a medium-sized braid. So you're just going to sew it down with your needle and thread to secure it tightly. After which I went ahead to divide it into 3 parts, and then I just braided it. I just box braided it. I used this one because it's quite short. It's just like I think 24 inches. It's shorter than the expression braiding hair, because since you're going to be making a bubble, you need what you have inside to be shorter than the actual hair you're going to be using outside to do the bubble. So I'm just going to braid that all the way up to the end. See, it's quite big. I think this one I divided again. I took out more than half of that. I'm going to use expression color 2 hair because it's closest to my actual hair color. My actual hair color should be something around color 4. My hair is brown. I'm not going to cut the hair into 2, but to tell you the truth, I actually regretted it. It's quite hard to work with the hair that long. Maybe the next time I'm trying this, I'm going to divide it into two and just stretch the end so that it's a bit longer. But for this one, I didn't divide into two. That's why the bubble ponytail is quite long. So you're just going to take it little piece at a time and crochet on the drawstring net. You're just going to crochet around the braid you made in the middle. I made about 3 lines round, just make it in circles. I just made 3 circles round the braid. You're just going to continue all around. If you want your ponytail to be quite big or puffy, you might consider using 2 packs or 2.5. If you want it quite big and this long, you might consider using 2 packs. Otherwise, you want it short, you just cut 1 pack into 2. It's going to be big as well. So you just pack it well. I'm using the gold string I got from my local 20-baht shop here. So you just make sure you smoothen it out. It was quite hard for me to smoothen the whole length, so I just smoothen the part I'm working with, and then I hold it and I make sure the braid is in the middle. You see it's smaller now, I reduced it at some point. I make sure the braid is in the middle. When I hold it and I pull it down, I pull the hair I have outside, I pull it down such that it forms a bubble. And I just go in with my gold string and just plait it all around. Have the desired size of the gold string I want, I just tied it. So you could make yours bigger or smaller, it's up to you. I just tied it off and cut it. Show again the second time, we're doing the same thing. You just make sure the hair covers the braid in the middle fully, smoothen it out, and then you hold the braid in the middle and pull it. When you're holding it, don't hold it so tight so that it can move freely, just like that. So we're going to repeat this same process all the way down until the braid in the middle is finished. We're just going to repeat making the bubbles all the way down, and we are at the end. The braid in the middle got finished because it was quite shorter, so I just box braided the last part. after box braiding, I secured it with an elastic band, and after which I'm going to cut the excess hair out and use the gold string again to just make it beautiful, more beautiful. Yep, and there you go. Yay. You just clean it up now. Okay, then I just twisted that long stretch of hair in. I'm just going to sew it there with my thread and needle. If you're still watching at this point, please do consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and click the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a video. I'm telling you, you're going to have fun on my channel. I teach so many things, different things all the time. I keep trying new things, that's why. So there it is. At this point in time, you can consider putting in the hairpins, but I didn't put it on mine. I really do not like hairpins. They actually make my hair, they actually hurt my scalp. So there you go. Yep. So we have our bubble ponytail wig here. Now to put it on, I'll just open it like this, and then I put it on the bun. I prepped my hair already. I'm just going to put it on the bun here. Put it in, just wear it in the bun, and then I hold the drawstring and pull. Secured there, and then I'm going to take this twist I did. Yeah, this is just to make sure the bottom is perfect. Okay, I'm just going to wrap it around as well. Then we secure it with a pin. Thanks guys for coming. Your girl is grateful. You can style it however you want to. Ciao. See you again in my next video.